Have you ever felt like your body is slowly betraying you? Like every ache, every forgotten name, every night of broken sleep is another sign that you're getting older and slipping further away from the energy, clarity, and strength you once had? You're not alone. For millions of adults over 50, aging feels like a quiet thief, stealing your balance, your focus, your vitality, and your confidence one subtle symptom at a time. But what if I told you that a simple, creamy green fruit, something you can buy at any grocery store for a few dollars, has the power to help fight back? Not with gimmicks, not with expensive medications, but with real, nourishing, scientifically backed nutrients that your aging body craves. This fruit is not new, but it is finally being recognized as one of the most powerful natural allies in the fight against aging. I'm talking about the avocado. Yes, the humble avocado, often smashed into toast or sliced onto salads, might just be the most underestimated health tool sitting in your kitchen right now. And if you commit to eating just one a day, the changes inside your body could be nothing short of extraordinary. This isn't hype. This is backed by real evidence, real transformations, and real hope. So if you're ready to stop merely surviving and start thriving in your later years, stay with me. Because what happens to your body when you eat one avocado a day may just surprise you. Aging doesn't happen all at once. It creeps in slowly. One day you notice your joints ache when you get out of bed. Another day you find yourself rereading the same paragraph, struggling to focus. You might feel more anxious than you used to, or less patient. Your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to. Sleep becomes elusive. You wonder if these changes are just normal, or if there's something you can do to slow them down. The truth is, aging is natural, but suffering through it isn't. You see, the real enemy of aging isn't just time. It's inflammation, oxidative stress, and nutrient depletion. And that's where the avocado comes in. Unlike processed foods that strip your body of life-giving compounds, avocados are filled with the exact nutrients your cells need to repair, restore, and resist the damage of time. Every creamy bite delivers healthy monounsaturated fats that nourish your heart and brain, powerful antioxidants that fight cellular damage, fiber that keeps your gut moving and your blood sugar balanced, and over 20 vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. But it's not just what avocados contain, it's what they help your body do. They help you lower cholesterol naturally, reduce inflammation in your joints, support bone strength, boost cognitive function, balance hormones, improve skin elasticity, regulate blood pressure, detox your liver, and even help you sleep better at night. And they do it all gently, without the side effects of pills or prescriptions. For seniors who feel like they're losing control of their bodies, that's not just comforting, that's empowering. You don't need to overhaul your entire life or buy expensive supplements. You just need to add one avocado a day to your routine and let the healing compounds do their work. Whether you mash it, slice it, blend it, or eat it with a spoon, how you enjoy your avocado is up to you. But what happens once it's inside your body is something we all need to understand. Because when you eat one avocado a day, everything changes, starting with your heart. Your heart is the engine of your body, and as you age, that engine faces more strain. High blood pressure, cholesterol buildup, stiffening arteries. These are silent killers that often don't show symptoms until it's too late. But avocados contain heart-healing compounds like oleic acid, potassium, magnesium, and beta-sitosterol. Oleic acid is a monounsaturated fat that helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Potassium helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Magnesium keeps your heartbeat steady. And beta-sitosterol supports cholesterol balance. Together, these nutrients form a natural defense system around your cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly have better lipid profiles, more stable blood pressure, and lower rates of heart disease. For seniors trying to stay off medication or avoid surgery, that's a powerful reason to add this fruit to your plate. Joint pain is another thief that robs older adults of movement and joy. Whether it's from arthritis or general wear and tear, inflammation around the joints makes everything harder, climbing stairs, walking, even holding a coffee cup. Avocados offer anti-inflammatory nutrients like vitamin E, carotenoids, and omega-9 fats that reduce swelling and protect cartilage. They also contain compounds that lower C-reactive protein, a key marker of systemic inflammation. Eating one avocado a day won't cure arthritis overnight, but it can gradually reduce the intensity and frequency of flare-ups. More movement means more independence and more freedom to do the things you love. Then there's your brain. Perhaps the most terrifying aspect of aging is the fear of losing your memory, your focus, yourself. Alzheimer's and dementia cast a long shadow over older adults, and while there's no single cure, nutrition plays a crucial role in prevention. Avocados feed your brain with lutein, folate, and healthy fats. Lutein accumulates in the brain and has been linked to improved memory, processing speed, and cognitive function. Folate supports neurotransmitter function, while monounsaturated fats preserve the myelin sheath around nerves. This means clearer thinking, better recall, and more emotional balance. Seniors who eat avocados regularly often report sharper minds and steadier moods. In a world where confusion and forgetfulness can be isolating, that's nothing short of life-changing. And let's not forget hormone balance. As you age, your body's hormone production naturally declines. For women post-menopause and for men facing lower testosterone levels, this means more belly fat, less muscle, lower energy, and mood swings. Avocados contain plant sterols and B vitamins that help balance cortisol levels and support hormone synthesis. The result? A flatter belly, fewer cravings, more energy, and a greater sense of vitality. Unlike hormone therapy or risky medications, avocados work with your body, not against it. Digestion is another area where aging hits hard. Slower motility, reduced enzyme production, and a disrupted microbiome lead to bloating, constipation, and poor nutrient absorption. Avocados contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, feeding good bacteria, supporting regular bowel movements, and creating a healthier gut lining. A happy gut means more nutrient absorption, better immune function, and even improved mood. Many seniors are surprised to learn how deeply gut health affects their daily life and how quickly it improves with the right foods. Your eyes, too, are under attack. Age-related macular degeneration and cataracts can rob you of your independence. But lutein and zeaxanthin, the carotenoids found in avocados, act like internal sunglasses. They filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and protect retinal tissues. Combined with vitamin E and healthy fats that improve absorption, these nutrients slow down age-related vision loss and help you maintain sharp eyesight longer. Bone health is often overlooked until it's too late. Osteoporosis leads to fractures that can derail an otherwise active lifestyle. Avocados provide vitamin K, magnesium, boron, and copper, all essential for bone density and mineral absorption. Unlike calcium supplements, which can sometimes build up in arteries, the nutrients in avocados are bioavailable and balanced. Eating one a day supports stronger bones and reduces your risk of dangerous falls. Skin is the body's largest organ, and it tells the story of your health. Dryness, sagging, wrinkles, all signs that your body isn't getting the nourishment it needs. Avocados provide vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, and fatty acids that hydrate skin from within. They also support collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. And if you apply avocado oil topically, it can help heal wounds and soothe irritation. The result is not just better skin, it's a better reflection of your inner health. Now let's talk about something most people overlook: liver function. Your liver processes every toxin, medication, and meal you've ever consumed. Over time, it can get sluggish. Avocados support liver detoxification through glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes toxins and aids liver repair. A healthier liver means better digestion, hormone balance, fat metabolism, and energy levels. If you often feel tired for no reason, your liver may be overloaded, and avocados could offer some relief. Sleep is another silent struggle. Insomnia, restless nights, early waking. It's all too common in older adults. Poor sleep impacts memory, mood, immunity, and even weight. Avocados contain magnesium, vitamin B6, and tryptophan, all key in producing melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Eating an avocado at dinner can help calm your nervous system and ease you into more restful sleep without the need for sedatives. Eating one avocado a day does more than improve isolated symptoms. It creates a cascade of healing. Your heart pumps more efficiently. Your joints hurt less. Your mind stays clear. Your skin glows. Your gut works better. You sleep more soundly. And over time, you start to feel like yourself again. Not the slower, weaker version you feared you'd become. You regain confidence, energy, and joy. Of course, no single food is a magic bullet. But when it comes to aging, avocados come impressively close. They offer a concentrated dose of the very things aging bodies lack, and they do it naturally, affordably, and deliciously. No side effects. No risk. Just one small change to your daily routine with potentially massive rewards. You might be thinking, is it really that simple? Can something as ordinary as an avocado make that much difference? The answer is yes, when you understand what's happening inside your body. This fruit aligns perfectly with your body's needs in the second half of life. It replenishes, repairs, and rebalances. All it asks is that you make room for it on your plate. So the next time you walk past the produce aisle, don't just grab the usual apples or bananas. Reach for an avocado. Slice it, mash it, blend it, savor it. Make it a daily habit. Because the small decisions you make today, what you eat, how you nourish your body, are what shape your future. And you deserve a future that's strong, clear, pain-free, and full of possibility. You don't need to accept fatigue as your normal. You don't need to accept brain fog, brittle bones, bloated bellies, or broken sleep. You don't need to surrender to age. You can partner with it. With the right foods, the right habits, and the right mindset, your best years can still be ahead. If this message resonated with you, if you felt even a flicker of hope or curiosity, then let today be your first step. Let one avocado a day be your act of quiet rebellion against decline. Choose nourishment over numbness. Choose energy over excuses. Choose to fight for the version of yourself that still believes in health, vitality, and joy. And once you've felt the difference, once the fog lifts, the pain dulls, the energy returns, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Tell a friend, a sibling, a neighbor who's silently suffering and doesn't know where to turn. Because sometimes the greatest gift we can offer each other isn't tea advice. It is a little green fruit and the courage to hope again.